Hello everyone. I am Pushpak Pandit and you are watching me on my YouTube channel Being Bookish. Okay, so our today's topic is section formula and this is the first video of this series. In this video, mainly I am going to talk about what is section formula and what is the real formula behind this section formula. Okay. Now, important thing that this video is mainly made for ICSE class 10 students, but if you are in any other boards and if you have this topic, then you can definitely watch it. Okay. Now, starting with the first question, what is section formula? See, I hope that you know the meaning of formula. Okay, the important word is this section. What is section? Whatever I have learnt is that section is meaning is to divide. Okay, what does section means? Section means to divide. Now, in this particular chapter, we need to divide what? We need to divide a line. See here, this is a line AB and suppose I make a point somewhere in this line, not in the middle. Okay, somewhere in this line I make a point and let me call this point as P. Okay, so what this point did is it divided this whole line into two parts. You can clearly see this is the first part from here to here and this is the second part. So this point divided this whole line AB into two parts, which is AP and PB. Now what mainly we have to do in this chapter, we have to find the coordinate of this point. I hope that you know what is coordinate. Coordinate is nothing but what is the address, what I have meant. Okay, what is the address of this point? So we give the address, or better the coordinate of this point in terms like x and y. Okay, so mainly in this chapter we need to find the coordinate of this point which divided this whole line internally. Okay, internally means, see, this point comes inside this whole line. This point came inside this whole line. Okay, so we need to find the coordinate of this point internally. Now let us see what is the formula. Okay, see here, suppose there is a line AB and a point P somewhere here. Okay, somewhere, not in the middle, somewhere in this line divides this whole line into two parts, and let the ratio in which it divides the two parts be m, means from A to P the ratio is m and from P to B the ratio is n. Suppose this point divided the whole line in some ratio and that ratio is m and n. Clear? Now we need to suppose more things. Suppose that the coordinate of point A is x1 comma y1, coordinate of point B is x2 comma y2, and coordinate of point P is x comma y. Okay, now what is the important thing we need to find? In this chapter we mainly have to find what is the coordinate of this point, and to find the coordinate of this point we give a formula. What is the formula? See here, to find the x coordinate of this point, what we do, we multiply this m ratio. See here, this m ratio is multiplied with the x coordinate of point B, means m into x2, and then we do plus, and then n ratio is multiplied by the first, means x coordinate of point A, n into x1, and then we divide with m plus n, means we divide with the ratio m plus n. See very carefully, it is not a very hard formula. Okay, what we did is multiplied this ratio, whatever was this ratio, m and n are the ratio. So what we did, we multiplied m with the x coordinate of this. See what we are finding, x coordinate of point P, x coordinate of point P. So you will never you are not going to see any y. Are you seeing any y here? No, no y. So for x we took m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n. Okay, and similarly to find this y coordinate, what we will do, the same process, m, take the m. Now we will not take any x coordinate we are not going to take, only y. We are going to target only y coordinates. So we took m and then we will multiply with y coordinate of point B. So m into y2 plus this n ratio multiplied by the y coordinate of point A. So n into y1. Now divide it with same thing, the ratio, the sum of this ratio m plus n. And so at the end, if I write both the formula together, then the coordinate of point P, x and y, the formula is, this is for finding the x coordinate and this is for finding the y coordinate. Okay, note it carefully and write it down in your copy very carefully. Okay, so at the end, find the x coordinate and find the y coordinate and place it together like this. Okay, now let us have a look at one more important thing. Okay, so if you look carefully in your book, you will find this also in your book. This is what centroid of a triangle. Now before I give you the formula for the centroid of the triangle, let me explain something. First of all, what is a centroid? Okay, centroid is nothing but a point. What point? Where all the medians of the triangle intersect. Okay, now what is median? Median is nothing but a line which divides this line into two parts. Okay, means a line which originates from the vertex of any point and come to the opposite side. And not only that, it divides this whole line into two parts. Okay, suppose this line is 10 centimeter, then this line came and intersected here and made this whole line into divide into two parts. So this will be 5 centimeter and this is going to be 5 centimeter. Okay, so a point where all the medians, see this is the first median, this is the second median, this is the third median, and all the medians intersected each other at a common point, and this point is called G. Okay, generally we refer it using a symbol G. So we need to find what is going to be the coordinate of this point G. The question is here, what is the coordinate of this point G? And you will find few questions related to this centroid of the triangle also. Okay, so let us find what is going to be the formula to find its coordinate. Okay, the formula is very easy. First let me tell you this, the formula is very easy. Let me tell you something, that how we are going to find its formula. Suppose this is a triangle and you can clearly see that there are 3 points A, B, C, okay, which is the extreme points. Okay, this is all the vertex of this triangle. Suppose coordinate of A is x1 comma y1, coordinate of point B is x2 comma y2, and also coordinate of point C is x3 comma y3. Now we need to find the coordinate of this point G. Okay, so how we are going to find this G? Let us assume that the coordinate of point G is x comma y. So we need to find individually, means to find the x coordinate of point G, what we are going to do is just sum up all the x coordinate of all these 3 points, means x1 comma x2 plus x3 and all divided by 3. This will give us the x coordinate of point G, and similarly to get the y coordinate of point G, what we are going to do is just add all the y's coordinate of all the points A, B and C, and we will divide it with 3. Okay, I hope you are noting all this. So in this way we will find both the x and y coordinate of this point G. So friends, that's all for today. This video was just to give you an idea that what are the formulas which are involved in this chapter. Obviously this chapter is very important for the boards. Okay, so I just gave you the formulas which are related to this chapter, and in the next video I am going to do some questions which will be very easy questions also and some good question also. Means I am mainly going to teach you how you are going to solve the questions which are related to this chapter. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification to all, so that you get notified each time when I upload a new video. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.